Hi, everyone. Thank you for having me. So my name is Ronel Veksler. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Promis Bio. And at Promis Bio, we develop precision medicine solutions for autoimmune diseases or immune-mediated diseases. It means that we identify biomarkers to predict treatment response for diseases like Crohn's, colitis, rheumatoid arthritis. We spun out of the Weizmann Institute and we use technology that was developed by my brilliant two co-founders. As was just mentioned, we closed our seed round about a year and a half ago, almost 2 years ago. And we were lucky to have AstraZeneca and Pfizer as early strategic investors. So let's talk about the problem a bit. So autoimmune diseases is a huge problem. It's actually one of the largest healthcare unmet needs. Especially in the US, you have millions of patients suffering from Crohn's, colitis, rheumatoid arthritis. And there's a common denominator where the efficacy of the drugs is really limited. So it's crazy to think, but between 30 to 40% of efficacy is actually considered okay. And physicians do not have any idea how to choose the right patient and or how to match the right patient and the right treatment. And it's all based on a trial and error approach, exactly like we did 20 years ago. So how do we solve that? It's really a data problem. But the challenge is that these diseases are really complex and variable and dynamic in nature. So we want to look at the most dynamic and complex data, which in our case is looking at proteins and the modifications that are going through. But that has been a huge challenge in the field. So our platform is the first that allows us to now look at this data, feed it to machine learning algorithms. And as I'm sure you all know, machine learning is a buzzword, but it's only as good as the data you feed it in, meaning we need to feed the algorithms with the most relevant biological data, and that's what we do. Sorry. And that's what we do. We are already collaborating with medical research institutions in the US. In Pittsburgh, Houston, we run our clinical trials in Israel and in US and work with pharma companies. And I'll be happy to show more of our results. We are looking for expansion of both our partnerships, and then as we look in our next finance round, please reach out. I'll be happy to elaborate.